If you've ever wished your Firefox tabs were easier to manage, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you how to enable and use tab groups in Mozilla Firefox so you can organize multiple tabs into neat, color-coded groups and keep your browser far less cluttered. This is super helpful if you're researching, comparing products, working on school projects, or just trying to keep different topics separated. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Firefox tips and software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer and make sure you already have a few tabs open. Tab groups in Firefox work by letting you combine related tabs together, so the easiest way to start is by looking at two tabs you want to keep in the same group. It could be tabs for work, shopping, travel planning, or anything else you want to organize. To create a group, click and hold one tab, then drag and drop it directly onto another tab. As you move it over, Firefox will show a highlighted area. That highlight is your signal that the tab is about to be grouped. Once you see it, release the mouse button. Firefox will then prompt you to name the group and choose a color for it. This is the part that makes tab groups so useful. Give your group a clear name so you can instantly recognize it later. For example, you might name it Work, Research, YouTube Ideas, or Shopping List. Then pick a color that helps it stand out visually. Colors make it much easier to spot the right group at a glance, especially when you have a lot of tabs open. After you name the group and choose the color, the tabs will stay organized together. You can keep adding more tabs to the same group by dragging them into it the same way. Just drop each tab into the grouped area and Firefox will keep everything neatly bundled. If you want to manage your browsing more efficiently, this is one of the simplest ways to reduce tab overload. Instead of letting your browser turn into a long, messy row of tabs, you can separate everything into clean sections. That means less time searching, fewer accidental tab closures, and a much smoother workflow. You can also create multiple groups for different tasks. For example, one group for work, one for personal browsing, and one for entertainment. That way, your browser stays organized no matter how many pages you open throughout the day. And if you ever want to remove a tab from a group, you can simply drag it back out again. Firefox makes it easy to rearrange things whenever your tabs change. So whether you're planning a project, comparing information, or just trying to stay focused, tab groups can save you a lot of frustration. That's how you enable and create tab groups in Mozilla Firefox using drag and drop. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.